Hello, good day guys, It's Kudakwashi Mandela with my colleague here, Clopas Mdede. I'm going to do a presentation on Wireshark, on ethical hacking 2, which is Wireshark and NetworkMiner. They are students from the Chinwe University of Technology, Zimbabwe. So, to start with, Wireshark is a free and open source packet analyzer, meaning to say Wireshark is just a packet capturing tool for you to capture the network packets. Basically, that's the definition. This is the meaning of Wireshark. So, without wasting time, I'm going to go through to the tool itself. Open my window. Here, Wireshark. I've already downloaded the tool. Just a minute. Here it is. It's actually loading. Let's wait. Okay. It's almost okay. It's done. Here I'm sure you can see. Everything here. Here's the Wi-Fi. The adapter for look back. Then the local area connection. The blue connection. All the connections are here. So to start Wireshark, we'll open this tag. Definitely, it's actually starting to capture. So from here, my colleague is going to continue to take you through the Wireshark, as well as the network miner.
Thank you so much, Kudakwashi. I'm going to take you through the Wireshark application. So basically, this application is a network capture tool, whereby any transactions going through the network is captured and also analyzed. Okay, so in this case, this is the capturing process, and this is the activity which is happening on our network currently. So this is the number, then this is the time, the source, the destination. The source, that's the IP addresses. Then the destination is also the IP addresses for the websites. Then we have the protocol, we have the link, and also the information. Yeah. Then I would want to demonstrate how this Wireshark works. So in this case, we want to demonstrate on the effects of this Wireshark when you try to log in on a certain website. We want to see how the details will be captured from the website. So, for example, we go on our website, then we try this website for it's login test. Put on the name, the password, which is 2356. Yes, so of course it will not go through since this credential doesn't exist. So we then go back to our application, to our application. Then we stop the capturing process, because all along it will be capturing all the details of like all the activities which will be happening. It will be capturing like in detail. So after that, we then save the capturing process. We then save the capturing process. Then we save as, we try to, let's just say demo. And we save it as pcap. Then we say save. I think we need to save it on the desktop, on the documents folder. On the documents folder, then I click the one called the Wireshark here. The demo one. Here we go. We save it here. So we incorporate now the NetworkMiner. NetworkMiner. We open it. NetworkMiner. Here we go. We open this NetworkMiner. Okay. So the NetworkMiner is a network forensic analysis tool for Windows. So the NetworkMiner can be also be used as a passive network sniffer or packet capturing tool in order to detect operating sessions, host names, open ports, and stuff. So yeah, so that's the NetworkMiner part. So we want to see the activities that we, the packets that we captured earlier on. So we go here, we come here, then we say file, then open, then we go on our then we go on this, like actually it came out, so we just click demo, then open, usually coming out, it's coming out, then here we go. So these are the IP addresses here. Then on this tab, then these are the files which we downloaded. If there are any images will be here. They will be under this tab. Then the messages will be also here. If there are any credentials, like in this case, we actually trying to demonstrate what will happen on the website. Like the moment we actually went on the website. So in this case, this is the computer IP address. This is the IP address for the website. Then the protocol and the username I used on that website, and also the password will be here. The 12345 password here. Then so that's the activity that was captured the moment I logged on, the moment I went onto the website. So by this, thank you, sir.